Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, there are some people, they have a desire to learn this language. They have a desire to speak in English. But they don't know how to learn this language. Where to go, how to use some apps, how to use some techniques, and which techniques will help them to be fluent in English. Yet they don't know because there are some categories. Okay, first category, some people they want to learn this language but they don't know how to use some techniques, how to speak in English. So this category is called beginners level category. Second category is intermediate level category. So there are some people, they can easily figure out their problem and they can learn this language according to their way. Okay, and advanced level people, they know how to use some different vocabulary in a different situation. They sounds like a native speaker. So the problem is for the beginners. Okay, they don't know how to speak in English, how to learn this language. So in today's video I'm going to give you a 21 days plan, and with the help of this plan you can easily be master in English in 21 days, believe me. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so this video is going to help for all the pupils. They want to improve their English, they want to be fluent in English, they want to master in English. Okay, so this video is for the beginners, for the learners. So this is a 21 days plan. Okay, now I'm going to describe how to use this plan. But before going to the description, I want to give you some rules. You have to follow some rules. Okay, so the very first rule is that you have to consistent with this plan. You have to stick with this plan. So this is the very first thing, rule. Second rule is that you have to give your efforts. Try and try again and you will succeed at last. So this is the second rule that you have to follow. Third rule is that you have to speak more. Okay, if you make mistakes, so acceptable, but you have to speak more because the more you speak, the better you become. Okay, so there are 3 rules for this plan. You have to follow 3 rules and then you can easily be master in English in 21 days. Now I'm going to reveal how to follow this plan. Okay, so this plan is going to divide in 3 parts. First part, first week, second week and third week. Okay, 21 days plan. So you have to use different efforts. Okay, so the first week plan, this is depend on the foundation. You have to first make a foundation, and there are 2 aspects for learning any language, and these 2 aspects are the foundation of any language. So what are they? They are listening and reading. Okay, you have to first listen and read more and more. Okay, but try to listen whatever content that you have choose to listen. You have to listen the same content minimum 10 times. So this is the listening and reading rules, and the same rule you have to follow on reading. Okay, whatever you read, you have to read the same passage. Okay, minimum 10 times, not different one. Content that you have choose to listen, passage or books that you have choose to read, but you have to listen same content, you have to read same content minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory. Okay, a repetition is very important. So this is the foundation. Once you make a foundation, then you can easily make a big building on it. Okay, so this is the foundation. Listening and reading, these are two foundation. But listening and read, please try to give full attention on the reading, on the listening. Try to use some V's for listening and reading. Now let's move on second week. So this is a second week plan. Okay, first week, with the help of first week plan, now you have a lot of vocabulary in your mind. Now you have a lot of sentence framing structure. You know how to frame a sentence in English. You know how to use some vocabulary in order to speak. Okay, you know how to pronounce them because you have heard so many times, I mean to say, you have heard the one content minimum 10 times. So you know how to pronounce the vocabulary, you know how to make a sentence in English, you know how to create question in English, and you know how to give an answer in English. In within 7 days, you observe all the English content and passage. Now it's time to give your output, because you have consumed a lot of content in English. Now it's time to give your output. And what to do to give your output? You have to speak the same content that you have listened, the same passage that you have read. Okay, please try to speak out, because more you speak, so better you become. So for the 7 days, you have to only speak in English, not the different one. First week that you have listened so many content in English, that the passage that you have read, story that you have read in English. Now it's time to give your output with the help of speaking. So the second week, there is a your output. You have to give your effort. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to give your 100% potential on speaking terms. Then now let's move on third week. So this is a third week plan. What you need to do? You need to just speak in English with someone. Now the question is that, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English. So how can we practice in English? Now I'm going to give you some apps name which will help you to do conversation with someone. So the very first app is Duolingo. So this is the best app. Second app is that Memrise. And third app, PeerUp. Now if you have some money, then please give some money and try to take any course. Okay, but there are many people that they have no money, so use some free and free on cost app like PeerUp, like CB. So PeerUp, CB, these are some free and free app. You can do conversation with someone. So there are lots of people like you. There are lots of co-learner. They want to enhance their fluency. So you can do conversation with them on free, on cost. You don't need to give any money for this conversation. Okay, so last week you have to speak, you have to do conversation with someone. Now after 21 days, you will realize that your English is going to improve. You can easily do conversation with someone. Okay, and after 21 days, you will feel like your confidence level is going to increase. You can easily enhance your ability. You can expand this plan for the next 21 days, and after 21 days you will realize that okay, now English is not a problem for you. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.